I'm hungry.
You hungry? So am I, bro.
I'm
But
hungry.
let's let's talk about what we're doing. How about that, dude?
I'm doing nothing.
Oh, what we did. So I built a house, dudes.
You did.
And Nick deceived a bunch of crap.
Yeah, I'm making a production table for us.
Don't know what that is.
It's a thing that is solar-powered furnaces.
Is this a thing that you already made and it despawned?
Yes.
It's gonna despawn again, and I'm just gonna laugh.
But now we have solar-powered furnaces.
If you wasted all that just to have that despawn again, I'm gonna laugh.
Yay, solar-powered furnaces.
I'm gonna laugh my ass off when that despawns.
I don't know why it despawned the first time, actually.
I don't know. Anyways, guys, for one of my quests, I decided to smelt down some silver, but my Minecraft's being a little bitch and won't open the smeltery.
Alright, now also what I planned for this is I am making a auto something.
Autonomous activator? We already have one.
Nope. An automatic something. Hammer.
Yay. Well, I'm pouring out some silver so we can get a Tinker Toys quest done.
Do we have a piston?
You can make one, probably.
Yeah, I think we have one.
I would be surprised.
We have one somewhere. No, we don't have a piston.
I didn't think we did. Anyways, guys, I got 4 silver, which means I can turn in a quest. And then get another silver.
Alright. My person's starving, so I'm like really mining fatigue and...
I need a steel ingot and an obsidian ingot. Didn't know that was a thing. Okay. Anyways, what else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, guys, I was gonna go into storage wars and make the pretty storage so I can make like a mini kitchen in there, dudes.
GG.
Yeah, it was going to be beautiful. Don't judge my mini kitchen.
Now this works, we just need to. And now if you don't mind me, what I do, I'm going to put all my stuff right here.
And die.
And go whee! You do regain some food when you die, right?
No.
I thought you regained some.
Yeah, you do.
I'm at full health. I'm at full hunger.
Whee! Because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna do /home so I die quicker.
Oh, that would have been a good idea.
But since it was supposed to be a void death, you're dropping my head off the void since we didn't get yours.
Oh, that's true. Alright, I need... So, can we make these yet?
I now remember why I didn't want to die.
Why?
It takes forever to load.
Do we have silver by chance?
Yes, I just made some.
Can I have all
For
of
a
it?
quest, yes you can. I don't...
Alright, I only need like 3.
There's 5 of them in the chest.
Awesome. Do we have glass?
No.
Brilliant.
You know, it's so hard to see sand nowadays. It's not like we have just a crap ton of cobblestone that we'll never need in our life just waiting to
I
be
have 43 gravel left I didn't see. I'm saving that stuff.
GG. Well, I might have crashed from the game.
GG.
I don't know if I crashed from the game. I didn't crash from the game, I see my face in spawn. Ew, it's spawn.
I'm using our solar-powered furnaces. There's 4 of them in 1.
Nice, did you toss my head, or I just picked it up? Never mind.
I didn't do anything with it.
Whee! Did I just miss the... I'm assuming I didn't, and I'm just lagging.
We need apparently one crafting recipe gives you 2, and I only need 3 mirrors. So yeah.
This thing looks fun. Can I stick my hand in there?
Please don't.
Nah. Anyways, dudes.
Can you hang these up on the wall and use them as a mirror?
Get out of my house!
Danny, you can't. I wanted to hang up a mirror, but you can't hang them up.
Get out of my house now!
Crafting recipes only, apparently.
Anyways, I'm gonna go
So,
ahead and go back.
I need redstone.
Well, too
Redstone's
bad.
from dust, right?
No, we don't have redstone dust. Why would we have redstone dust?
Yeah, redstone is from sieving dust, right?
Drawers. Yeah.
Of course it is.
Nick is gonna have fun. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna make
This
some.
is when this automatic hammer is gonna come in handy.
I'm gonna laugh. It sucks.
No, I know what it is.
I need chests.
Go ahead and make some chests then.
I don't
That's
know.
on you. I'm doing my own thing here.
Obviously, I'm making chests. You racist. Hashtag Nick is racist.
But I'm not.
So.
Fair enough.
Looks like I'm making a drawer thing or something. An oak drawer holds 32 stacks per drawer. So this drawer holds 32 stacks of something.
That's good, I think.
That means it can hold. Oh, see?
I just put my pickaxe on the front, on the cover. Can I have that back?
Yeah. It's really OP.
You can put something on the cover of it, apparently.
Yeah, that's how you store it in.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Duh, idiot. No, I'm just kidding.
Wonderful.
Now this one can hold 2 items, but it can only hold 8 stacks of each item. I don't know. These are all confusing. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, I only need 1 redstone from all this. Yay, I got the redstone!
Holy crap, all of my oak just went everywhere. All of my wood, it just went flying everywhere.
Ah, control your wood.
I'm sorry, I just can't. Anyways, yay, things. Now I need to make a 2x2. God. Why have you forsaken me? I don't know where the 2x2 is. Here it is.
Hello, what I need to make in order for that?
Gold nuggets! I don't have gold nuggets! Oh, wait, that's a sorting one. Okay, I don't care about you. I need a lot of wood. I don't have wood. Nick, I don't have enough wood.
I think I have this thing working, but I'm not 100% sure so far, so let's go ahead. It's up and running. The power is going to it. Throw in some cobble. Let's see what happens.
Magic.
How do you make one of these Java barrels again?
We should have 2 of them already.
Oh, okay, good.
Why are they so slow? Even with an axe. Yay, drawers! We have drawers, Nick.
Yay!
Now we can store stuff there, even though we probably never will. Am I right?
Pretty much.
Yep. And, anyways, I'm out of wood, in Skype orangutan. What does Epic have to say about IPA?
Do we have an axe anywhere?
Yeah, we should. He passed his permit test. That's easy.
Yeah, I passed that, like, ages ago.
Same, I think. I don't remember. What's your permit test again?
Your temporary license?
Oh, yeah, I have that.
Oh, brilliant.
I have that. I know what I'm doing. I've got a carrot.
Okay.
I don't know. That has to go under one of Dynamics quotes. I know what I'm doing. I have a carrot. It's the only logical thing.
Yeah, it should.
It was so random was the thing. That was great. So we still have these slimy leaves that we'll never use.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright, so...
Screw it. I got it. I got this. Nick, I'm making creations here. I'm attempting to make creations. It'll go right here just to piss you off.
Now, how terrified should I be by this?
What? I wasn't listening. I'm making creations.
Should I be terrified?
Of what?
Of your creations.
Yes. I love how I built it in the worst position.
If you break a Java barrel, does it keep its inventory?
No. I
Oh,
thought we would have known that by now. Like, jeez, Nick. Nerd. Doesn't know anything. Oh, we have wood.
We do?
Yes, I found my wood. My wood was being stored away. I didn't actually... We have wood in here, too. Yay. I like wood. Yay, more wood! I'm going on, like, a wood thing right now. Leave me be. Okay? Wood is love, wood is life. Shut up, go home.
Oh, we gotta wait till daytime for this, really?
Ha!
I hate solar panels, they suck.
I made more drawers! Doors. Oh, wait, I think I just threw all my wood out. No I didn't. Okay, goody. Yay, more drawers to doors. And these ones can go up here or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I'm just trying to make things look pretty.
Brilliant.
Don't judge me. Compact oak drawers, you say? Let's type in compact. Compact oak drawers. Okay, how much? What's with all the freaking chests?
What chest? What?
I need chests for bloody
Alright,
everything.
well, we're gonna have a crap ton of gravel here in a second, so as soon as it becomes daytime and this stuff actually starts working, eventually we'll have a crap ton of gravel.
Isn't that good?
Huh?
Isn't that a good thing?
Yeah.
Then why?
Because it finally gives us a reason to use some of our cobblestone.
Then why? But the cobblestone is awesome, bro. Who would ever want to waste the cobblestone?
Everybody who would have this much cobblestone.
Okay, fair enough. I need more chests. I need. Ah!
By the way, I turned off our cobblestone generator temporarily.
I care why. We need another transfer node. That's why.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm perfectly fine with that, honestly.
Yeah, but we need like redstone blocks for it.
Are you going to redstone tomorrow?
Yes.
Alright, let me turn it on.
Alright. Alright. Yep. Bye.
I'm turning it on, okay?
No.
You want it on?
Yeah. Keep it on.
Alright, let me turn it.
Okay. Yep. Night.
Aw, does Nick have a bedtime?
I don't want to hear it. Yours is usually 9:30.
Fuck off. No, that's only school days, you dick.
And yesterday.
Nah, I could stay up all night yesterday.
Or was it the night before then?
It was the night before because my mama had to work. That's just because I obey my mother. Unlike you, you're a bad kid.
I am?
Yes. Who gets spoiled a lot more than me.
That rain started an instant lag.
Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, I need more wood, so I'm just gonna come water a tree.
That's good.
Don't break my creation, you jerk!
It's in your way.
No, it's not. My creation is love.
Ooh, gelatinous slime.
My creation is love itself.
Alright, so what do we need for like harvesters and stuff like that?
Who would want to change from the stone chopper? Oh, that's right. Me! This thing's useless.
Alright, we need machine frames, tin gears.
Nothing we can get until we automate ores. Wood!
You know this thing automatically does that, right?
It's out of coal.
Yeah, that's why you let it harvest the first piece of wood, and then it does it.
But that's wasting wood.
But
Exactly.
do we not have any coal at all?
You pleb.
We have a crap ton of coal over here.
We do. Oh, GG. Tree.
Baby tree.
Ta-ta. Tree.
More baby tree.
Ah! The lag. Stupid
Get the tree.
Oh, GG, I'll let you have your anger issues with the tree. I'm just coming to make more drawers of sexiness and things and stuff. Why are you following me? It's creepy.
Because I don't know what I'm doing now.
It's kind of stalkerish, not gonna lie.
See, what's in here that I can do next?
Not stalk me? We're out of wood again, Nick. But it's okay, because I actually made the thing I wanted. I had just enough wood.
Brilliant.
Yep. Now I can turn in this quest and get 4 more oak drawers. Goody. Fancy upgrade. I don't want upgrades. Tool storage. I don't want. It's telling me to make more things,
I'm
Nick.
throwing these slab furnaces off the edge.
No! No! I'll save you, my pretties! Oh, I only saved 3 of them. Shit.
That's most of them.
I will break this, I'll break it, and I'll throw it off the edge. Give me
No,
my...
this is a solar panel.
Give me my
It's
slab
solar
furnace. Give me the slab furnace
Get
now.
on the edge. You don't need it. This is solar powered and it has all of those in one.
You realize the last time I used this, it despawned on me and I lost my stone.
Yeah, but it's fixed now. Don't break it. Oh my god.
Not vexed. No. It magically broke by itself. It's okay, slab furnaces. I could have used those slab furnaces in here with my kitchen. No, you killed their brother, you jerk. I don't know. When do I go back to school? August 19th, I think. Epic's
Alright, time
talking
to work
to
the
me.
quest. What quest can I do first?
None. I'm here to make the pretties and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna make the pretties and stuff.
Brilliant.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Who is talking? I don't want you to talk to me. I'm supposed to be a lone person. A lonely person that doesn't have friends. No, I'm just kidding. And that got really dark right there.
Alright, both of these are opaque.
They're still talking!
Alright, do we have copper and lead?
No. Maybe. We
No.
should. We don't?
No.
Wow. I'm running out of areas to put my magical kitchen making things.
Right, lead. Okay, we got a bunch of lead we can do there.
I'm breaking and organizing the oak drawers of loveliness and flowers. I'm also singing random crap because I'm bored and don't know what I'm doing.
Wonderful.
Don't judge me. I'm actually not bored. I'm kind of having fun with my oak drawers. More fun than you. Get wrecked. I'm running out of area to place my drawers of loveliness and flowers. Nick, help.
Alright, I need lead and tin. Do we have tin?
No.
We don't have any tin?
Maybe. I don't know.
We don't have any tin.
We actually don't. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't expect that.
We do have tin.
Too bad.
I've got those two item duct.
And now my slab furnaces of sexiness come into use.
Alright, we got the 2 tin and 1 lead. Do we have the lead? No, we do not have the lead done yet. Brilliant.
Boom. See, I have a kitchen of sexiness. Get wrecked.
That's wonderful.
Actually, I just got an idea.
Oh god. Do I want it now?
No, this idea would have worked perfect. If you didn't kill their brother! You massive jerk.
Just make a new one.
No, it was their brother. Shut up, phone! I just ran into a problem.
What's that?
I need to do the, movie thingies with the waters and stuffs.
Wait, what?
I just need the bucket. Can I has bucket?
No, you cannot hit bucket.
Well, then I'm gonna strike you down with lightning with a fucking rainmaker, you old prick.
Aww.
That turned dark. I like going dark. It's so much fun.
So now I'm just waiting on that stuff.
Ah! The water! Nick, I flooded the kitchen!
Alright, so one of those, one of those. What do you mean you flooded the kitchen?
The rabies.
Brilliant.
I don't talk to evil furnace killers like you. That kill people's families!
Oh my god.
That was their family! You're a monster! But they just don't have anybody to stand up for them. But I'll be that person. I have to be that person. For their sake.
No.
Oh,
So maybe you'll kill them too.
Oh, you do not want to I will strike you with lightning. And it will all be like pew pew.
What are you gonna do? Place down the rainmaker next to me or something?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Brilliant.
I'm out there risking my life for these babies. And you're just out there being a jerk. Killing them off.
Servo, filter, and retriever.
Sabotaging them. Sabotaging the innocent. Now that's when you ask if I'm done yet.
No, because I know the answer's gonna be no.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's easier just to do servo.
Don't stop! Why didn't you kill the stupid furnace? It won't work! There. Sheesh.
Alright, so first things first, we need a servo. Of course we need more redstone. Please tell me I have... Okay, good, I have 1 extra redstone for that.
Well, if you just think about it this way, if you automate the cobblestone, you'll have more, redstone. If you automate the gravel into dust.
Think of this. Is there an upgrade for this to make it go fast? Okay, I'm gonna figure out if there's an upgrade for that. Right after I do this. Alright, so 2 iron. Dang it! I don't have any more iron. Alright, I guess I'm waiting on this. Time to find out if there's an upgrade for this automatic hammer.
You know why you don't have any iron? Because you killed a furnace. Murder. See, this doesn't even look even out here. It looks all bloody stupid. All because of you.
Blaze powder, sulfur. How do you make sulfur?
Kills my only friends.
How do I make soul sand?
I'm not telling you, you monster. Which water?
How do I do that?
Magic. But you need the magic of love, not the magic of suffering! I'm really going all out with this. I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna eat some bread because of this. Yay, bread. Well, anyways, good news, Nick. I made a kitchen area that I'll never touch again.
Brilliant. Alright, so how do we do this witch water stuff? We need to work on that.
You need ancient spores.
How do we do that?
Sieving.
Sieving what?
I think dust. I'm pretty sure I can check. Let me check what you need to sieve.
Sand.
Sand, okay. What's this? Oh, a quest. I like. I'm gonna choose a reward. Yeah, I got cow eggs and a heart. That doesn't do anything, so... Oh, I can do /HQM hardcore to enable hardcore mode. I'm gonna do it, Nick. I'm gonna do it.
You do what?
Enable hardcore mode?
No, don't, because we've already lost so many lives.
Fair enough. I don't know what to do with this heart now. It's useless.
Yeah, just start over.
No, I'm not a horrible person like you. You're just all about killing everything. No, you gotta treat them nice. Take them out to dinner. How do you expect to get a woman when they see on your portfolio that you killed a furnace? You killed their brothers.
Simple. I don't put that on my portfolio.
Shut up. I want apiaries.
Do we have any wood at all?
Nope. I wasted it all on this. And yes, I am proud of it. This is great.
Brilliant. That block has been claimed by Dynamic Games YT. What block?
What?
What block?
What?
Oh, if I right click on any block with a stick, it tells me who it's been claimed by.
Oh. Get wrecked. This is mine, not yours. So, while we're out here, I'm just gonna make this look different because you're not using these crafting tables anymore, so I'm gonna take them.
Okay. I actually have been using these.
Well, you can use your stupid solar thingy since
No,
that's all.
the solar thingy only has furnaces.
What happened to the crafting table that was in it?
The crafting table, I'm pretty sure, is what crashed it and destroyed it. So.
Well, GG. Actually, I'm
Because it
gonna.
destroyed at the same time I put a crafting thing in it. But I actually need the crafting thing. I need it now.
Well, they're going in here to make my kitchen look pretty. See? Oh, voila. My kitchen. It's gorgeous.
If you know what will make it look better? A bunch of gravel right in the middle.
I so thought you were gonna go after the furnaces. I was gonna untrust you right away. Just boom. That's not my kitchen. My kitchen's over here.
Was it sand or dust I said you needed for this stuff?
Sand.
Okay, good.
You would have flipped if you thought it was the other. We need to get another bucket so this is symmetrical. Wait, we don't need the water bucket out there.
Oh my god.
I'm all about symmetricalness. Leave me be.
Brilliant.
Don't be mad because I have a beautiful house of beautifulness and sex. That didn't make any sense.
No, it didn't.
Shut up, jerk.
Not even a little bit.
And I'm moving the wall of heads over because I kind of built my kitchen. And my kitchen's better than your stupid heads that cover our wall. Yeah, shots fired. Pew pew. Die.
Wow, I feel so attacked.
I has carrot.
What percentage? It's a 1% drop. Oh my god.
I has carrot. That got
Today
really.
I got it on the third one.
Oh dang!
I got really lucky.
Now,
what did you do?
I didn't do it.
Oh, well, lightning literally just struck the top of your house.
I swear to God, if you're not burn my house, well, hell will break loose.
Well, no, I hit the cobblestone, luckily.
Okay. Anyway, do not use that yet. We will use it in between video or next video because it's about time we wrap up.
Why would I use it? I have cactus seeds.
Oh, that you can use. I was talking about the mycelium because I want to set up an area for the mycelium.
Mycelium? I don't have mycelium. I have ancient spores.
That makes mycelium.
Yay! Mycelium!
Don't do it yet. Don't actually set it there. That will be a waste.
But why won't it? It won't do anything. It won't do anything. It won't stop.
You know
It
what?
won't turn it into something else.
You know what this means, Nick? God dirt.
Dead.
No, God dirt! Don't set it there. If you set it there and waste ancient spores, I swear to God.
Why?
Because we need to put it somewhere safer, somewhere in its own area, so that way we can actually have a chance of spawning mushrooms.
Okay, whatever. Okay, here. Cactus seeds. I need them. How do you plant cactus seeds?
You right click, but you need crops.
On sand?
I'd assume.
Brilliant. Alright, so are we gonna go ahead and take it out of here or go over to a different episode or?
Yeah, but just letting you know, don't place that down because you know I can set up an area and then we can get mushroom spawn and then we can get mushroom stew and then we can get food.
Oh, good.
So, anyways, dudes, if you enjoyed it, like, we appreciate comment more so to tell us what we're doing, what you want to see in the I screwed up.
Where are you? Oh, you're in there.
Hashtag dynamic rocks if you think he shouldn't have killed a slab furnace. Hashtag cake is stupid and smells if you support him and you're a jerk.
Hey, look at me. I had the ancient spores on me, by the way.
You deserve that. You deserved that. That's for the furnaces, you asshole. That's for the fucking furnaces.
Did you take them?
Also, why'd you put lead ore in here?
I don't know. Whatever was in my inventory, I just threw in there at the moment.
Well, I know why, because you have a bunch of random bull crap in this one. Take something out. Like bone meal. Bone meal doesn't go in there. Where were we? Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Hashtag, long live the furnace for those non-furnace haters. Hashtag cake smells for those furnace haters.
Alright, and I'll see all you dudes later.
Bye-bye!